Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art. It's a YouTube channel where you kids can learn how to draw anything and we make it easy, okay? And today we're going to draw a dolphin, okay? I know that's definitely an awesome creature in the ocean, and a dolphin is a really fun animal to draw. So we're going to draw a dolphin today. And depending on one detail, you guys can see if you want to make your dolphin a girl or a boy. So it's pretty much for anybody here. So let's make sure that we're prepared for art today. That means we have all of our supplies ready and ready to go. So that means we have a piece of paper or something to draw on. We have 2 pencils in case one breaks. We also have a eraser and a Sharpie or a black marker for my outline, or you can get like a black pen or maybe a black crayon, whatever works for you guys, okay? And then of course any colors that you guys want to get out, any colors that you think would be good for a dolphin, okay? That's what you want to have out, those colors, and have those prepared and ready for the end. Alright, so let's get started here with our dolphin drawing. First we're going to start with the head of our dolphin, the top of our head. The dolphin has a pretty round, big forehead. So we're going to make a curve that goes kind of up and down, a big open upside down U. Okay, so we're going to go just like this with our curve. So watch. We're going to go up, curve, back. Okay, perfect. So again, we're going to come up and curve back. Let me fix my line there. Alright. Now next, we're going to do the dorsal fin. That'll be the back fin of the dolphin. So we're going to kind of make a triangle shape on the back of her, on the back of this dolphin. We don't want to make it pointy like a triangle. I mean, if you do, it's not a big deal, but we want to kind of make it rounded at the top. So we're going to come up with a slight curve. Okay, so we're going to kind of come up with that slight curve back. Then we're going to keep that curve going and round it down. Keep the curve going around it, and then we're going to come in slightly and then back out. In slightly and back out. Okay? So we have a kind of a triangle shape with a rounded curve, and it just goes to the back, curves to the back a little with a curved line coming back in, just like that, guys. All right, next we're going to do the back of the dolphin's tail, and I think the tail is going to curve this way. So we're going to have a curved, big open curved C line, just like this. We're going to come down and then curve in. So down, curve in. This will be the back of the tail. And now we're going to make the tail at the bottom of the animal here. All right, so here we go. So we're going to do another line coming out and down, a curved line out and down. So just like this, out and down. Next, we're going to do, this is going to be kind of a weird line, guys. We're going to do a curved line in and then a curved line out. It's kind of like a squiggle. Okay, so we're going to go curved line in and a curved line out. And it's going to kind of come back in. Now we're going to start our line at that point again. We're going to come out slightly, so we're going to match the same line. We're going to come out slightly with a curve, and then we're going to curve back in this way. So we're going to curve back in this way. Back in and out. Then we'll do just like we did here, a rounded corner and then back in towards the tail. So a rounded corner and then a line in towards where the tail would be. There we go. That works good. Then we're going to continue the tail coming in the underside of the dolphin's belly here. So we're going to do a curved line that kind of mimics this other line to go with the body of the dolphin. So we're going to kind of match it. And then remember, we don't want our dolphin to stay skinny. It gets thicker, right, where all the body parts are and the organs. So we're going to keep it thin by the tail, and then it'll just come right out and make the dolphin fatter. So if you need to adjust your line here, guys, you can always do that, because I know sometimes I need to do that too. So we're going to stop coming in and come right back out. If that makes sense. You see how I'm coming back out and the line's getting thicker here? And then it's going to go all the way out to the head. Just going to keep this line going. And we need to put a dolphin fin in here. So we're going to take this line and make another curve down. All right, all of our fins have that curve in them. Rounded edge, round it. Make a curved line at the end. And then we're going to make another kind of like a triangle shape, just kind of like the same as this shape here. So we're going to come with a curved line back up and in. Curved line up and in. See if that kind of looks like that if we flopped them on each other. All right. Now we're going to take this line and we're going to do the bottom of the dolphin's chin, and then the rest of its nose, and we'll be all set here. So we'll start a little bit under, and it'll show that this fin is coming out of its body. So we'll start a little bit under that line there, and we'll come straight out and then down a little. Straight out and down a little. So we want this dolphin's mouth to be kind of open and smiling, so we'll have her mouth be open, or his mouth be open. And then this is the bottom of the chin, so we're going to kind of round that edge off, and it's going to be a smaller part than the top of its nose. So we'll round the edge off, that'll be the bottom of the chin. And we'll come into the mouth, in, and then back out, so like a V. And come back out like this. Alright, and then we'll finish up the nose by just rounding the nose off. So they kind of have a big nose, a bottlenose dolphin. They have that big long kind of snout. Now I don't really like how skinny mine is here, so I'm going to erase, guys, and make it a little thicker there. And I think if yours looks the same, maybe you should do it. If not, if you like it, leave it. That's cool. So I think I'm going to make mine a little thicker at the edge of his nose here. There. And I think he's got a bulbous nose, so I need to fix that a little bit. I don't want it to be too round. We want it to be kind of sloped. I think that looks a little better. There. Yeah, I like that better. All right, and next step, we will, let's see, we need to make sure we finish up the mouth. So this is, it looks like it's done, but it'll be a little bit better if we can add some detail and kind of show a smile and some depth to the mouth to show that it's open and things. So we're going to take a line, we'll start right here about the underneath the bottom of the nose a little bit. We're going to kind of come up and start curving back. Up and start a small little up and curve back. You guys can see that. And we're going to come right back down and come up for the smile. So I'm going to come down and up for the smile. So follow this line, parallel to that line, go up for the smile. And then we'll just continue that smile and come back for the bottom of the mouth right there. So now it looks like the dolphin's mouth is open. Do you guys see that? You can see where his inside of his mouth is. You can put teeth in there if you want. You can put a tongue in there, a fish maybe he caught. It's all kinds of cool stuff you could do with that. Now, he does have another fin here on the other side of his body. We need to add that too here. So we're going to add another fin. We're going to start with a line right a little bit towards the front of this fin, right about here on the bottom of his chin. We'll start there. We're just going to draw a line down, curved line down, and then back up. Mine curved in a little, I fixed it just like you guys. Whatever you need to do. If you mess it up, fix it. It's not a big deal. Just erase. Okay? So we just did a curved line down and up. And it needs to be a little smaller because it's behind this fin. So that's always going to be, anything in the background is going to be smaller. Anything in the foreground will be a little bigger. And what are we missing? How about an eye? Oh, so our dolphin can see. Let's put an eye in here. Nice big round eye. Now I'm going to make another smaller circle inside towards the front of the circle, so she's looking forward. And then one more small circle in the middle. Just like that. Okay? And if you want to keep yourself, so you know which is the right one to shade in, I shade in this middle circle. The middle one that I did, the second circle. Alright, and then one last little line we'll do here for the underside of the dolphin's belly is usually a little lighter or white, and the top of the dolphin's more gray or blue. So we'll do a line right about the bottom of their chin here, almost to that fin, and we can make that fin go right to it if you guys need. So we'll do a line right at the bottom of the chin. Okay? And then we'll continue this line right about here. Just follow the body and then come down. We won't see it once it goes to the underside of the belly. And then we're gonna finish this line here, guys. So just continue your line for the fin up. Mine's very thick. I don't know what was wrong with my pencil there. Okay, perfect. All right, now perfect. We have our two separate colors of the dolphin. We can color it easily. What we're gonna do next, just to add some flair to our drawing, a little bit of animation or whatever you want to call it. Well, we all know dolphins have what do they breathe with? Do they breathe with gills or do they breathe air like humans? Do you guys know? Yeah, they breathe air, so they have a blowhole. They have lungs, so they need to breathe air through a hole in the top of their body. So we're gonna have a little animation of some water spurting out of their blowhole, just like they're shooting out some air when they come up for a breath. So we'll do some upside down raindrops, and sometimes it may be easier to turn your paper upside down if you guys want and draw raindrops. All right, but whatever you like to do. So we're gonna have just some, I think the blowhole will be right about here. We'll have some, start at the bottom, we'll come up, loop around, and come down to a point. So it looks like a upside down raindrop, right? So if we flip the paper and I wanted to draw it this way, right? I could draw another one this way, loop down to a point. Either way, it looks good. Whatever helps, whatever way you guys like to do it. Then we'll do two more up here. We'll do them kind of staggered. We'll do one more here. Whoops. One more here. So remember, a point with a rounded top and back to that same point. Maybe I'll do one more. I feel like I need one right here. What do you think, guys? There. Right, and your points all need to be kind of pointing towards where the blowhole should be. Right, guys? So it kind of shows it's coming out of there. All right, looks good. And so next, guys, as we all know, we have to outline it. We're gonna take our Sharpie. I'm gonna outline the drawing and then color it in real nice. And then again, I'll have you guys do the same thing. Color your drawings in any color you want. And I hope it comes out really good, okay? So I'm gonna fast forward through all this, outline and color, and we'll be right back, all right? Perfect. All right, guys, we're all back. We're all set. We got it colored in. I chose to do some colored pencils over my markers, if you noticed. Sometimes that's a cool idea, so check that out. Try that sometimes. Do a marker color and then do some colored pencil over it. It looks really cool. It makes some different textures here. And then I did say I can change your dolphin into a girl if you'd like. And so if you want, you can always add some eyelashes to your dolphin to make it kind of girly if you girls want. Okay, so if you just want, you just take your marker or your Sharpie or your outline, do a couple quick eyelashes. All right, so it looks nice and pretty if you want to make her a girl. Whatever you guys like to do. So there's a little cool surprise for you guys. All right, and I hope your drawing came out just as good, if not better than mine. And I hope you guys did some cool colors for your ocean, your dolphin in the ocean. Maybe you did a background like we could do in the background. Maybe you did some fish or some ocean life or some other dolphins, a family. That would be really cool too. So be sure to show your friends and check this out. And please subscribe to the channel if you want to see all the new videos and learn how to draw anything and make it easy. So as always, have a great day and take it easy.